It's a super grey day here and it's even started to rain, so I've got no hope of doing any lighting of me to actually show you any of this, so I'm just going to jump straight to the unboxing for this month's lingerie box. So let's see what we've got. As always, it's all beautifully tied up and presented. Let's see what we have. Wow, okay. Really lovely, like, oh, wrong way around. Lilac embroidered motif. Our Lingerie Society cards. Let's check out what's in the tin first. Another embroidered motif. This one's really nice and thick, very plush and 3D. Some of our Lingerie Society tags. This one's very cute. It says cute as AF. Some sort of like dark lavender strapping. Beautiful peach coloured fold over elastic. A pretty pink picot. Lovely and plush on the inside. A little tiny bow. It's teeny tiny. Oops. Some wide plush back elastic. Nice and stretchy, great for underbusts and around waistbands of knickers. Some narrower picot. It's got a really cute little edging to it. I hope you can actually see that. It's like a really nice little edge. Some more of the sort of lilac coloured lace. This one's a stretch lace. A Lingerie Society tag and some cute little hardware, including a little flower which has a little wing off the side, and hopefully the little inside bit shows up, but it's a little tiny diamante, and some rose gold hardware. So shiny. Pop the box to one side so we can see everything else. So it was all wrapped up in this peach coloured crystal lycra. I hope you can see it. One side's like really beautiful shiny, the other side's slightly more matte. Much more stretch one way than the other. Some matching coloured frilled elastic. I really do love this little frill one. It just looks so pretty when you sew it in. Some narrow bra casing in a pink. Wide hooks and eyes. It's a super wide one. Makes for a great back, or if you're into making like waist garters and things like that, they're really good for that. Wow. This embroidered mesh is really stunning. So it's embroidered onto like a lace kind of like tulle construction, and then the embroidery itself is really plush, really sort of textural without being too thick. I don't think there's no stretch, so great for wired bras, but super beautiful. And on the edge of mine I've got some just sort of self color of the mesh along the side. Sometimes I like to use this one as lining, because then it can make your whole bra look sheer, which is very cool. It's really pretty. That's like, the embroidery is actually really soft, like I feel like I can scrunch it quite well, so it's not going to be harsh against the skin. Then we have some pale pink power mesh. More stretch one way than the other. Quite a lightweight power mesh, so it's really lovely and soft. Great for lining of things, and backs. Sometimes if I want the colour but maybe I don't think it's got enough strength for my back, I'll double up my back layers, and that works really well. Then we've got this like dark dusky rose in the crystal lycra. It's really pretty. And then a matching colour in a heavier weight power mesh. This one's really strong. Yeah, really good for backs, good for shapewear. I love how well the colours match here, and then with the embroidered piece as well, like great colour matching. And some super smooth, very slinky, I think it's a lycra or a nylon lycra of some kind, yeah. Really smooth. Feels exactly like what you would buy in ready to wear if you were buying seamless underwear. So very smooth, great for t-shirt bras and knickers where you want no show. And then that's the crystal lycra that everything was wrapped in. Amazing collection this month. I feel like there's tons of fabric, so you'll actually be able to make lots of coordinating pieces that go with it all. But yeah, super pretty. Love the colors with all of the lilacs and lavenders and peaches and pinks. Really nice. Now I've just got to find some time to sew it all up.